That's all I really want to know.
I like your car.
Thank you.
I like your cars.
Camera in the windshield is the camera that's hooked up to the garbage.
Oh, right here.
So I get the real live vision like I'm in the car. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? And then the one on top is my GoPro footage for that clear footage for YouTube.
I said that too. I said it as a YouTube show. No, Buddha.
Can you try?
That's on the way it's complicated.
I'll tell you what. I'll tell you what. I'm gonna turn this one off.
You put the camera and all that on there?
Yeah, I build these. This is what I do for a living. So yeah, I'm very childlike.
You got a bunch of these, John.
25.
Like a bunch, like a bunch.
25. All right.
That look like that's the trial one.
Yeah, that look like that's the one.
It's okay.
It's not at all the trial one,
Oh,
but it's cheaper than like
okay.
500,
Yeah.
2,500.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying? Like, and then I got a whole bunch of parts to fix both of them, but I would rather go ahead and fix this one than that one. You know what I'm saying? Alright, cause
Oh!
That's on faster.
it's not faster. It's just
Alright, so
smaller.
if you are gonna let him drive it, let's take it over there to the
That's
empty
where we
area.
about to go.
Oh,
Is it
okay.
smaller? That's the reason why it's
I
fast
don't
like
trust
that?
it like
nah,
that.
this one
That don't look like it's
this one
fast.
fast too.
Yeah, like that don't look faster than that jump. Like,
It's just because it's so slow.
dang. I figured that it got that much feel or something.
That plus, I mean, I didn't
motherfucker took off
really
like a
punch
dirt
it with
bike.
this.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? And that one has a whole lot of traction with it.
Right.
Like that one just
This one seemed like speed and that right there. It seemed like
Yeah.
power and traction. Like it could bend the corner real sweet. Like,
both of them. I just hit it when I drove. I just hit it.
Let's see kind of racing. How about let's see kind of racing?
First, you gotta know what you're doing before you race his. You know he's gonna smoke you.
No, I'm not for him.
All right, you know how to drive?
Yeah.
Lie.
You ever drove an Aussie car?
Just let him teach you. Don't lie.
All right, look. This is how you go forward. This is how you turn left. This is how you turn right.
How you go backwards?
Good question.
Back?
Right here. You pull it towards you to go forward. And then, all right, pull it towards you. And then when you want to hit the brakes, you hit it. The first time, all right, hold on. Pay attention to the remote, not the car, okay? Forward, brake. And then let go, and then hit the remote. Okay? Forward, brake, reverse. So you gotta hit it twice in order to go in reverse. Okay? All right.
Who did you to know that when you put your goggles on?
All right, this is what I want you to do. Come over here so that you could be behind it. I done messed up my camera already. was about to say, don't hit it too hard. Yeah, okay. There you go. There you go. You go ahead and figure it out.
He's scared. He's scared for that jump to go fast.
Nah, he doing what he's supposed to do. He testing to see what's he testing the water, see what's up with it, man. Whoa, whoa, whoa! You don't gotta run behind it.
You can't race it. You gotta pay attention to it.
All you gotta do when it's getting out of control, just let go of the throttle.
Yeah, let go of the trigger.
You're not even holding on to the steering wheel. Like you gotta drive. Yeah, you don't gotta move it with your hand. You gotta drive it. Maybe go left or right. That's what that's for. They're not coming this way.
Time back up.
Okay.